Hey, how you doing? It's Bob Beckett here again, and I want to thank you for checking out my next video here. If you're here, it is likely because you have a tendency to get stuck on the technical stuff, or there's some technical aspect to what you're doing in your efforts to make money online that is holding you back. And so I wanted to let you know that some of the most successful internet marketers that I know are really not very technical. You know, occasionally they learn some things along the way, but the good news is you don't need to be a techie to make money on the internet. I know that's a big relief for a lot of people. So I'm going to tell you exactly, by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do next in order to be able to make money online without a technical background or having to, you know, write a bunch of computer code. Okay? But first, before I get to that, I wanted to kind of lay the foundation for you because without this, your efforts in making money online are going to really be difficult. So you need to know a few things. You need to know two numbers and three what I call the three key factors to making money online, okay? So let's get right into what this is all about. All right, so what are the two most important numbers that you need to know? You need to know, number one, your average visitor value. Okay, so if you have a website and you're driving 100 visitors to your website, and out of those 100 visitors, say 2 people buy a $50 product from you, then you've generated $100 in revenue for your 100 visitors. So, of course, your average visitor value then would be $1 per visitor, right? Cool. So that's number one, metric number one. The second number that you need to know is your cost per visitor. So if you buy an ad for $10 and that results in 100 people going to your website, then your cost per visitor on average is 10 cents, right? So those two numbers are critical because obviously if your visitor value is lower than your cost per visitor, you're in the red and you're not making any money. But if you can spend 10 cents on a visitor to your website, which is totally reasonable, that on average I'm spending about 10 cents to get a visitor to my websites or less. And you're getting a visitor value of $1, which is totally realistic, then you just made 10 times your money. And so, don't you think it makes sense to buy as much advertising as you possibly can if you're getting return on investment that's 10 times your investment? I think so. Okay, so that's all well and good, but how do you actually get there? And so what I've discovered is there are three key factors to crushing it online. And so what are they? Number one is you need to have something to sell, right? This is internet marketing, so we definitely need a product. At minimum, we need one product, but this is a mistake that I made and most people make, I think, and that I would like for you to not make, and that is when you're promoting an offer, don't just promote one offer. Don't promote one ebook or one video course. What you want to do is you want to promote a package of complementary products, each of which has some relationship to the other and enhances the value of all of these products together so that it makes sense for someone to spend money on the first product, the second product, the third product, because every product is helping that person get closer to their ultimate goal, whatever it is they're trying to accomplish, whether it's losing weight or making money online, or how to get your your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend back. So key factor number one is you want a package of products that are all related, and if you have that, your visitor value is going to go through the roof. Okay, versus having just one product. All right, now So does that make sense? I mean, do you see how having multiple offers, people can, they can buy at the low level, they can buy at the high level, they can buy everything if they're all in, and it's just going to jack up your visitor value. Now, the key factor number 2 is once you have this thing that you're selling, you need an automated marketing system that will sell that product for you on autopilot, or that package of products for you on autopilot. And so what do I mean by that? That means when somebody goes to your website, when they get there, the website takes care of all of the selling and telling for you, so that it's all on autopilot, so that from that point on, you don't have to do anything. The visitors are just going to be converted into sales. And if your automated marketing system is proven to work, then really all that's left for you to do is key factor number 3. So key factor number 3 is buy advertising, okay? So I don't want you guys spending time on trying to build a website that's gonna rank on the first page of Google for a really competitive keyword like make money online, how to make money fast, or if that's your niche, if you want to promote weight loss offers, then you might be thinking, well, I'm going to build a website and it's going to get all this free traffic from people searching for how to lose weight on Google. Guys, I can't tell you how many hours I've spent going down that road, and it's just it's a big to me it's a big waste of time, and you end up spending money as well. So really, is it free? No. You can buy an ad for $5, $10, and get visitors to your website. As long as those visitors are being converted into sales by your automated marketing system, and guess what? That's easy. It's easy to buy advertising. So anyway, to recap here, you need to know your cost per visitor to your website, and you need to know the average lifetime visitor value for your average visitor. And obviously your average visitor value needs to be higher than your cost per visitor. Your 3 key factors that you need are, number 1, a package of products that are related at different price points to maximize your visitor value. Number 2, you need your automated marketing system that's going to sell those products. And number 3, buy advertising. And if you have those 3 things down, you are done. Okay, you've won this game, because all you have to do is buy advertising, right? And okay, so now the next question is, well, what's my next step? How do I find this related series of products? How do I create an automated marketing system that's going to sell this stuff for me? That sounds like a lot of work. Well, it can be a lot of work, but fortunately, and this is kind of the whole pièce de résistance of this whole video, is I met my mentor recently, and my mentor actually went and created all of this so that I don't have to mess with it. Okay, so this is an automated marketing system that he created around a specific package of products, a very in-demand set of products, and he also put together some instructions on how to find the best advertising to purchase and how to purchase it, so that you can just drive people to the automated marketing system, where he'll give you the website and everything, and it's all done automatically. So all you have to do really is this key factor number 3 of buying advertising. And I've been using this, and I've been making sales. It's so much fun, and I can't tell you what a relief it is to be able to have all of these key things in place that I know are going to work for me because they've been proven to work in the past. So bottom line is, down below this video there will be a space where you can enter in your email address. So what I need you to do, if you're interested in finding out more about my mentor and his system and how he was able to use this exact system to generate $710,000 in 28 days, then go ahead and enter your email in the box below, and then I'll send you instant access to his exact system, and he'll walk you through step by step how to go about using his automated marketing system to make money. And my vision, what I'm trying to achieve, is I want to be able to help a minimum of 100 people over the next 60 days to be making a minimum of $5,000 a month online. Okay? So that's my vision, that's my passion, that's what drives me right now, is I want to be able to help 100 of you at a minimum to make $5,000 a month. And if I can do that, then I feel like you know, that's time well spent. And I hope that you're one of the 100. So anyway, if you're interested in finding out more, like I said, go ahead and fill in your email below. Thanks for listening. This is Bob Beckett again. I hope you got some good value out of this video, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks. Bye.